straight.
Okay, so we arrived to Barcelona.
Yeah, here we are.
Guys with the bag.
Parking for 26 euros per 1 day. Just
It's not too bad. This is not too bad actually.
It's so cute.
Very cute.
Someone with a key to open the door.
Like normal people taking a subway.
No.
Who's gonna buy? I have credit card.
So you owe me money, so you could buy them. We have funneled some money out of Pasha. He's gonna be bold and bankrupt very soon. Beautiful. I caught it on camera. I'm gonna report it to the cops.
You're a dick.
To change anywhere?
We're going to Catalonia. It's like the main street.
Oh, he's wearing a mask on the train.
Beware of COVID.
Okay, there's another stop.
Go to Corte Inglés.
Okay, so we made it to...
Might have to buy one, that's fine.
And we're standing here on the city central square.
This is basically London. I'm not coming to Barcelona to look for unfamiliar things. I'm seeking everything that I know and that I knew before. I'm scared of what I don't know, so I'll just go to eat McDonald's, right?
There's a KFC right back there.
You want to go to KFC?
That's
Keep your phones, wallets, everything next to your head.
There's a lot of pickpockets here. Do you see them? There's like, this is a pickpocket, that's a pickpocket.
I want to learn how to do that, but you need a jacket and you put bells on the
You're
jacket.
a pickpocket.
You have to be able to reach in and reach out without making any of the bells, like without ringing any of the bells.
Oh, there's
Like,
five guys.
can't
Yo, there's 5 guys.
We're not going to Five Guys, Hard.
You can go to Hard Rock Cafe, by the way, if you're collecting, you know, the badges and all this stuff.
Too fast.
Ah, Primark. Like you can buy a jacket for 10 bucks there.
If you're not from
It's like
Europe,
Costco, what's this thing like?
no,
Primark.
much cheaper.
Much
If
cheaper.
you're not from Europe, you have to try Primark. You'll love it forever. And there's not going to be a single shop where you will want to go after.
Yeah, after Primark, nothing is so good like
It's a
Primark.
really high bar. Okay, so they literally they came to Spain to drink Starbucks. Look at those spoiled urban people. Look at this. It's the iced coffee she wants. We'll literally make it at home, but here we go. Are you excited for your coffee? Starbucks coffee is delicious. It's good, right?
Yeah.
Pretty good, yeah. Now it's time to find a place to eat.
This market is like 300 years old.
Wow. This must be good. No actual like real food in the food court, so we decided to.
There are a lot of food, but it's
You're taking both the paella and the pizza, right?
bruh.
Yeah.
Paella is like, it's a lot. We're leaving like almost 2 blocks from Camp Nou.
Oh, from the stadium.
Yeah, like 10 minutes
we can
walk.
just go there when there's no games.
Yeah, we can just go there if you want.
The last piece of vlog, I have 5% battery. So we're walking back home.
And somebody is...
Don't tell.
Okay.
So we are walking back home from the train station, and it's pretty sketchy here. So everything is closed. So we got the goods. We just went to a little shop. Oh, he almost ran us over. We made it home. We were running away from the homeless guy. So what do you think?
We did it.
Exited the subway.
These towers were built in 1965, I guess, for the International Expo. It's one of the most recognizable monuments here in Barcelona, because there, on the hill, there's a National Museum of Catalonia, and the view from there is just unbelievably beautiful.
I just bought new shoes, like these ones. I threw my old ones away. They're like blue and red. Super meshy together. Okay, here comes our vlog for shopping. Hey Morgan, you excited to do some window shopping?
I'm gonna buy stuff.
Day 2, and there I want to go to Starbucks again. Buying 3 of these.
I brought you in the right place. We're surrounded by these bars, and half of them are opening on that.
So should we walk around for 30 more minutes? Thought that was the door.
Yeah.
Welcome to the local rock bar. Just got some awesome crepes from this store. You know how you walk in the dark and there's like this bright store in the middle of nowhere with the gift of gods. Alright, so now we made it to the Central Square again, and my sugar daddy here,
You ready?
is gonna buy me a watch. I don't know what you're
Something
talking
on your
about.
back, yeah. Go, bro.
Now we have a Garmin watch, baby. Hey, look at this grown man. Look at this grown man. Look at what he's buying. Look at what he's buying. Oops, I bought the same. Going through the streets of Barcelona.
Yeah.
He's finished his baby food, but I still
I
got
already
some.
finished it and I feel so absolutely BABYNATOR. Yeah, we're entering the media
BABYNATOR's entering the MediaMarkt store. What does the BABYNATOR want to buy? BABYNATOR, what do you want to buy?
I want to find a hard drive. Then you can kiss my ass.
So now we are unboxing the Garmin watch. I swear to God, he's gonna come here and he'll be like, why didn't you wait for me to unbox? I want to see it. And,
It's gonna be like, bro.
exactly. Like, bro,
Or he's gonna say, bro, why are you doing this right now?
wait.
Happy birthday.
The Garmin watch and Morgan. Beautiful. Here we are entering.
You have the tickets.
Yeah, I got the ticket.
Plaza de Catalunya.